Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. Today we're going to be focusing on a new sound, and that new sound is ch. Can you say that with me? Say ch. Very good. We're going to warm up by listening for the ch sound in words. And we're going to use another sound that we learned last week, and that sound is sh, as in shell, and ch, as in cheese. So I'm going to show you guys some pictures, and we're going to listen to see if that picture has a sh sound or a ch sound. And when we hear the sound, we're going to drop it in the bucket. So I'm going to do a couple first to show you what we're going to do. This is a sheep. Say sheep. If I listen carefully to the beginning of the word sheep, I hear sh like shell. So the sheep is going to go in the shell bucket. All right, now I have a chair. Say chair. And if I listen carefully at the beginning of the word chair, I hear ch like cheese, so I'm going to drop that card in that bucket. You see what we're going to do? All right, so I need you to help me now. This is a shirt. Say shirt and really listen to the first sound in the word shirt. When you say shirt, do you hear sh as in shell or ch as in cheese? Which bucket do we want to drop shirt in? Shirt should go with shell. Very good. All right, look at this picture. They're pointing at the little girl's chin. Say chin. Where do you want chin to go? Do you want chin to go with shell for sh or cheese for ch? Which bucket should we put chin inside? That's right. We're going to drop that little girl and her chin in the cheese bucket. All right, now I have shoe. Listen to that beginning sound. Say the word shoe. Which beginning sound do you hear for shoe? Do you hear sh or ch? Which bucket shall we drop this in? Very good. We're going to put shoe with the shell. Oh, look at this pretty picture. It's a shore. Can you see that? Say shore. What sound do you hear at the beginning of shore? Do you hear sh or ch? You hear ch or sh in the beginning of shore. You hear sh. Very good. Right now, ooh, a yummy cherry. Say cherry and listen to that beginning sound. Do you want to put the cherry in the sh or the ch? Where should cherry go? Very good. It's going to go with the cheese. All right, we're going to switch gears. I want you to now listen to the sound that we hear at the end of a word. All right, so I have the word fish. Say the word fish and really listen to the last sound that we hear at the end of fish. Fish. Do you hear sh like shell or ch like cheese? Sh like shell. Very good. Ooh, a peach. Say peach. What sound do you hear at the end of peach? You hear ch. Very good. We'll put it with the cheese. All right, now I have a watch. Say the word watch and listen to the last sound. Do you hear sh or ch at the end of watch? You hear a ch. Very good. Okay, guys, just a couple more. Toothbrush. Say toothbrush. At the end of the word toothbrush, do you hear sh or ch? Shh. Very good. All right, we've only got two more. Ooh, a yummy sandwich. Say sandwich and listen to that last sound. Sandwich. Do you hear sh or ch? Very good. Ch, like cheese. And the last card is showing us a ruler, but we're looking at an inch. Can you say inch? Does our inch need to go with the shell or with cheese? Where should inch go? Right here? All right. That was excellent. Okay. Now, let's start looking at, oops, back that up just a little bit. There we go. This is our cheese card, everybody. And the cheese card, we use that for the ch sound because the very first sound that we hear in cheese is ch. Everybody say ch. Say it one more time. Ch. Very good. And as you can see on our card here, the letters that we're going to use to spell ch are C-H. I want to show you something. When we use C by itself, it says k. And when we have H by itself, it says h. But when we put these two letters together, they form a team. And they make a new sound together as a team. CH says ch. All right, I want you to get your finger ready. And you're going to trace the C and the H with me. And as we're tracing it, we're going to say ch. Are you ready? Get your finger ready. Ready? Let's trace. Ch. Trace it again. Ch. What does CH say? Ch. Very good. What letters do we use to spell ch? C-H. Very good. All right. Now, I'm going to write some sounds on my board. And whenever you see a CH, I want you to say ch like cheese. Are you ready? All right. Ch. O says ah. So we have ch, ah. And P says p. Let's put those together. Ch, ah, p. Blend that with me. Chop. Chop. What's this word? Chop. I need to chop the vegetables. Very good. All right. S says S. Very good. What does U say? Excellent. What does our CH say? Ch. So we have S, ch. Will you blend this with me? Such. Such. What's the word? Such. You are such a great group of kindergartners. Right. CH, what is the sound? Ch. What does I say? I. Ch. I. What does the P say? P. Ch. I. P. Blend that with me. Chip. Chip. What's our word? Chip. You can't eat just one potato chip. We've got one more like this. CH says ch. Very good. Watch this spelling in the middle of the word. What does EE say? E. Very good. It has a long E sound. And our K says Let's blend these together. Ch, e, k. Say it a little faster. Cheek. What's our word? Cheek. Everybody, point to your cheek. Excellent job. Okay. Now, I have some words that I've written out on our cards that we're going to look at and practice reading. Okay, so I want you guys to look. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the card better. Okay, let's look at these letters. I'm going to point to them, and I want you to say the sound as I point to that letter or letters. And then we're going to read the word together. Are you ready? All right, ready? Sound. R. I. Put these together. Ch. Blend it. R. Itch. What's this word? Rich. Okay. Let's look at this word right here. What are these? So what do these letters say? C-H, ch, eh. And then remember, C-K goes together and says k. So we have ch, eh, k. Let's blend those together. Ch, eh, k. What's this word? Check. All right, ready? Sound. Ch. Blend it with me. Ch. Much. What is the word? Much. Let's read these three together. Rich, check, much. All right. Now the next three that we're going to do, you guys are going to tell me the sounds on your own first. Okay? So when I point, you tell me the sounds that you see. Ready? Sound, sound, sound. Did you say ch, Great job. Let's blend those together. Ch, chum. What's the word? Chum. Chum is another word for like a friend or a pal. All right, let's look at this word. Oh, it starts with a capital C. That means that it's the name of something or someone. All right, so when I point, remember, you're going to say the sounds first. Sound, sound, sound. Did you say ch, a, d? Good. Let's blend those together. Chad. What's the word? Chad. And this is the name for a boy. That's why it starts with an uppercase C. Let's do one more. Okay. Say the sounds as I point. Sound. 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 Did you say ch, a, p? Great. Let's blend those together. Chap. Chap. What's this word? Chap. This word could be another word for a boy. Let's read the three words that we have here. Chum, Chad, chap. Very nice. Okay. Now, we are going to do some dictation. So I'd like for you to pause the video and go get a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can practice writing with me. All right, are you ready? Remember, when we do our dictation, you're going to say the word after me. We're going to tap our sounds, and then you're going to write the word. Are you ready? Our first word is chick. Say chick. Let's tap the sounds that we hear in the word chick. Ch, I, k. Now pause the video and write the word chick. Are you ready to check your work? The word was chick. The first sound that we hear is ch. We're going to use C-H. Ch. I was our next sound, and that's the letter I. Ch. I. K. Now remember, there are two letters that we can use to say k after a short vowel. So we're going to use C-K. So for chick, you should have C-H-I-C-K. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. All right. Are you ready for your next word? Say the word such. Let's tap the sounds in such. S, ch. Pause the video and write such. Are you ready to check? Such. S, short U. S, ch. Oh, I need my new spelling. C-H. S-U-C-H spells such. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. All right, we have one more. Your last word is chat. Whoops. Chat. Say the word chat. Let's tap together. Ch, a, t. Pause the video and write the word chat. Are you ready to check our last word? Chat. Ch, a, t. C-H-A-T spells chat. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. All right, boys and girls, that's the end of our lesson. Make sure that you find the decodable text so that you can practice reading some ch words. I'll see you later.